Welcome back, Penny Pinchers. Join me as I venture out on week 2 of the fridge resets. Will I score some 1-cent food items? Stick around to see. Let's go. Be sure to remember that with the fridge and freezer resets, not all stores will penny at once. Your miles may vary. What may be a penny at one store won't be at another, so you'll want to manually enter the UPC in the Dollar General app to confirm. Only 3 measly pennies at store number 2. It's time to move on to the next one. I didn't even plan to come to this store, but I wanted to take a quick look at the NCI section and totally miss the same penny that I got at my last store. As you can see, food items will ring full price at first, but don't let that scare you. Once the cashier totals it, the promo will take effect to deduct the item to 1 cent. Thank you so much for watching. If you're a fellow penny shopper or just enjoy deals, hit the subscribe button so that you know which penny items to look for on your next trip to Dollar General. Until next time, JD out.